Welcome to our journey into the profound teachings of the law of unity. In this video, we will explore practical steps that can help us embrace the philosophy of unity, connecting us to a greater sense of harmony and understanding.
Our first step is to cultivate empathy and compassion. By putting ourselves in others' shoes, we can better understand their perspectives and respond with kindness.
Embracing diversity is vital in understanding the law of unity. Let us celebrate the differences among us and appreciate the unique contributions each individual brings to our shared experience. By fostering cooperation and collaboration, we amplify the power of unity. Working together towards common goals empower us to achieve remarkable outcomes and create a harmonious environment for growth and development. Mindfulness connects us to the essence of oneness. Being present in each moment, we acknowledge our thoughts, our feelings, our action, deepening our connection with ourselves and the world. Random acts of kindness create a ripple effect, spreading positivity and strengthening the human bond. Let us extend acts of goodwill without expecting anything in return, fostering a more unified and compassionate world. Recognizing the interconnectedness between humanity and the environment, let us adopt an eco-friendly lifestyle. Living sustainably promotes harmony with nature and ensures a brighter future for generations to come.
Conflict resolution is essential for embracing unity. Let us nurture harmonious relationships through effective communication, empathy, and understanding, valuing the bond we share over being right.
Gratitude enhances our connection to the interconnectedness of life. Let us be thankful for the abundance in our lives and acknowledge the contributions of others to our own well-being. Embracing the law of unity is a transformative journey of self-discovery and collective growth. As we apply these practical steps in our lives, we contribute to a world where unity, compassion, and understanding reign. If you find this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with others. Spreading the message of unity will create a world where the law of unity guides us all towards a brighter and harmonious future.